right, so let's see if I'm the only dumbass that's gonna come out here in the pouring rain and fish. Absolutely not. There's other people here as well. So let's catch them. At least I know I'm not the only dummy. But the rain has slowed down quite a bit. Oh my God, the water's high. All right, so I just got here to the ramp and it's not raining nowhere near as hard as it was on the way here. I know some water's gonna come out of this old girl. Let this drain for a minute. Poured down rain the whole time here. But anyway, the water here is extremely high right now. And I'm a little bit concerned about that because that might mess me up a little bit. But as y'all can see, the freaking docks are completely underwater here. And it's probably 3 to 4 foot higher than normal. Than it was when I've been catching them here on the jigging spoon. So I don't know, it might make the bite better. But anyway, we're gonna give them a try and see if we can catch them. All right, so I'm idling up to my first spot, up to my waypoint where I've been catching them at, and it started raining again. Not real hard, but hard enough where I need to put my hood on. But anyway, water temp 51.7 right here, and we're idling up to my waypoint. Let's see if we got some fish up here. There's a couple little fish there, a couple there. Oh yeah, there's some. We're hopefully fixing to have some fun. Some fish here suspended. We're getting ready to get right on my spot. And let's see. Fish here, and here's my waypoint. I'm rolling up on it right now. It's a point of hydrilla that comes off out right here. I can't see it now because the water is extremely high, so they may actually be pushed back further that way a little bit. We'll just have to troll around a little bit and find them, but we should get on them. Let's go ahead and drop down, see if we can catch some. All right, so like I said, the lake is really full right now. It's, you know, higher than it was, than it has been when I've been fishing here, jigging spoon fishing. But anyway, I've been catching them here pretty good. I just dropped the marker buoy right there. I marked some fish over there. So we're gonna get right and get over there and get near that. There's some fish down here underneath of me. Oh, there's one. First one. What do we got? All right, white perch. And he is a keeper. All right, so first white perch right there. Not the giants that we've been catching, but nice keeper. So let's drop down and see if we can get us another one. What we got here? That's a little bit better fish, whatever it is. Oh, white perch got him in the side, but that's a keeper. Keeper white perch right there. Go ahead and drop this down while I'm putting him in the live well. Oh, this one. What we got here? I felt him thump it on the fall. Nice striper. Yep, I felt him thumping on the fall. Get in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come here. I'm gonna get my hand all tore all to pieces. All right, and I don't. Ooh, there's another one right there. I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. He is not big enough. He's a pretty one though. Nice one. Get in there. He thumped it on the drop. That was a good freaking bite. Oh, this one. There's one. A keeper. On the gold. First bite on the gold. Right here in front of my buoy marker, as y'all can see. Alright, so right here in front of the buoy, 29 foot of water. I was seeing a few small fish on the graph right then, so I guess that's one of them that I just caught. I hadn't really seen a school or anything right here. There's a pretty decent fish down there on the bottom that I see. There's one. That's a nice fish. What do we got? Another nice rock fish. Oh, he might be a keeper. No, he's not a keeper. Just a nice fish. Just a nice fat fish there. Chill out. These guys get crazy when you get them in the boat. And they will cut you too. Oh, hold on. It's not a keeper, I don't think. Nope. 18 inches, pretty one. We'll let him back go. Get on back in there. And what I tell you, they cut your freaking hand, and he got my hand. There he is. Oh, I saw that fish on the graph. That is cool. I don't know if y'all can see it right there on the graph, right there. I saw it. There's another rockfish. He's not a real big one, but that was cool. I saw him actually swim over to it, and he gobbled that thing. Not a keeper, but that was cool. I was sitting there watching it, and I saw him swim over to it. That is fun. Oh, I hate it too. This guy. Oh, here we go. Nice one. Just not big enough. Going back down there. That is pretty cool when you can sit there and watch them like that. That is really cool. There's a school of fish underneath of us, Just saw it on my graph back there. And it's a big old school too, I mean. See if I can find them suckers. Steady off right underneath those. Yep. Come on. Oh, this one. That's some nice fish. Ooh, that's a real nice fish. Whoa. All right, what are we? Nice striper. All right, I think he's gonna make the grade. He is big enough to keep. See if I can do this one without slicing the crap out of my finger. Yeah, he's a keeper. I had him just by the bottom of the lip. Chill out, bud. Here we go. Nice. That is a keeper. Put him in the box. I saw him coming. Freaking look at it. There's a school right there. There's a school right there. Oh God, it's a what do I got here? Is this? That's another. It's a striper. All right, we found a huge active school. All right, I just gotta stay on them. Stop, 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 bro. Stop. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's a huge active school right there. Come on. All right. It's not a keeper, but it is a lot of fish down there. All right, so that's it. Didn't do all that great, but caught some fish nonetheless. Came out here and fished in some pretty shitty conditions out in the rain, and the wind really got up hard and was blowing, and that's really not good for fishing with a jigging spoon at all. But every day can be great. So, you know, and I did lose a lot of fish today. Usually, you know, you don't lose that many fish on a jigging spoon, and I stuck a lot of fish and they just popped off. I mean, the last 2 bites I had right there, I stuck them and they popped off. So it is what it is, but I don't know where I'm gonna go next. Next weekend I'm gonna fish somewhere. I don't know if I'm a bass fish or what I'm gonna do. Might be dropping a jigging spoon again, I don't know. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I got all kinds of good stuff coming. You know, it's getting ready to warm up here in a couple months, and you know, spawning and all that stuff. I'm gonna be on the water. I'm gonna be catching some big bass. So, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see y'all next time.